In Uganda, importation of used cars is very popular. However, cars older than 15 years are prohibited, and the other years in between all vary in the amount of tax that is due. For my code in place project, I decided to write this program that shows importers how much tax is due on the particular models and which cars are allowed into the country. This is the code right here, and then I'm going to run a couple of years and then do the calculation. For example, I'll say run the program. I'll imagine a car was manufactured in 2000. I'll punch in there as 2000. I'll enter. It will say the car is 20 years old, and it will give me a warning that importation of used cars older than 15 years is prohibited. I'll run it again. I'll say year of manufacture is 2010 to tell me that the car is 10 years old. It will ask me for the value of the car. I'll say 2,500, for example, to tell me that the tax is due $2,512. I'll run again the program, this time with a much later year, let's say 2015, to tell me the car is 5 years old. It will ask me for the value. I'll say 2,500. Tell me the value, the tax is due $1,262. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for viewing.